Let's speed up your Windows 10 with Avira Antivirus. Okay, so this is Avira free security antivirus. You can upgrade the Avira security antivirus to Prime to get more features, but the free version is all we're going to need for today's episode because we're going to concentrate on the performance side of the software. It does have the security, the privacy, and then the performance. So in security, by default, the real-time protection is turned on. You can turn on the other three features in here if you want. So let's jump into the performance. So what we're going to do is we're going to do an optimizer. We're going to run the scan. It's going to tell us what we can do to make the Windows 10 machine a lot more faster and performs smoother. Okay, as you can see, you can free up 10 gigs of space and then fix slow startup apps, 5 of them. So we're going to review the results. And here, the selection is recommended. It has the system junk 2.1 gigs, the application junk about 113 megs, which is fine. The downloads has 7.8 gigs in your downloads folder you can clean up. So the space is coming from your hard drive. So if you have a full hard drive, the hard drive performance will go down really quick. Okay, so you don't want a full hard drive. If you are about 75% of your hard drive space full, you need to do this. For me, I normally do this maybe once a month to get everything smooth. So, and you can actually see what the system junk by clicking the arrow here, what it's going to tell you what it's going to delete on your left side. And if you want to see what the temporary system files is, just click the hover your mouse cursor over the eye. If you don't want to delete those files, all you gotta do is uncheck and it won't delete the files. So we're gonna go back. Let's see the slow startup apps. Here it's gonna tell me what the startup apps is when the computer logs in. You can, so current state is normal. If you optimize it, it will start up after it logs in. So that is it on the optimization of the feature. You can do a select all and it'll select all everything. Here it gives you a little warning, so if you hover over it, it will includes photos and documents. So here if you click the arrow, it'll tell you what it's going to delete. So here's all your like I said, the download folder, and it's gonna only do it for the current user. Okay, so if you have multiple user accounts, log in with that user and then jump on to the optimizer, run a scan, and then it'll show up for that user profile. So here what we're gonna do is I'm gonna optimize. I'm just gonna optimize the system junk to show you what it'll do. So we're gonna click on optimize. Here it says it freed up 1.7 gigabytes of space. Here it says unlock your full cleaning. You have to pay the Prime to unlock the game booster and the advanced tools. So if you want to do the full potential of the software, go get the Prime. So if you want more tutorials about Avira's free security, let me know in the comments down below. And if you want more guides, tips, and tricks to Windows 10, subscribe and turn your bell notification on for more content. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace. If you like this episode and you want more Windows 11 content, be sure to check this episode right now.